Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Tips with Hamid. In today's video, I'll show you how to create stunning AI-generated photos for 15 August with your name using Bing Image Creator. Let's get started. First, let's head over to Bing Image Creator. This tool is fantastic for generating AI images with ease. To save you time, I've prepared specific prompts that will generate the perfect 15 August images. You can find all these prompts on my Telegram channel. The link is in the description below, so make sure to join and grab the prompts. Just click on the link in the description, join my Telegram channel, and copy the prompts I've provided. Once you have the prompt, simply paste it into Bing Image Creator, click on Generate, and let Bing Image Creator do its magic. In just a few moments, you'll have a beautiful AI-generated photo ready to use. Here's the image Bing Image Creator generated. You can see it perfectly captures the essence of 15 August. With my name prominently displayed. Remember to join my Telegram channel for all the prompts and updates. The link is right below in the description. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Technical Hamid for more tutorials like this.